most people are young people towards the ANC. Abantu abahamba and they are joining SDP. Majority yabo, you find out there's a secretary of the region who is in Nkosinathi, is a young person. Our pusher this thing, they are leadership. They are leading now sub-region, the region actually, at large. You understand? If ever the mandate says, then we become a threat whereby Sesia Chuzero, ukuthi ubani omela afakwe ubani omela angafakwe. Then us as young people nama guidelines la wakhona awalandelo lama guidelines kulenziwa ama mandate. You understand? You are born ukuthi la we being pushed. No, you can't exercise anything outside labantu abadala.
Ngiyakubamba lapho sesi. Ngiyakubamba lapho mntaka baba. Lapho ngihamba nawe like siku same page, siku same WhatsApp group but then umuzo omkhulu mntaka baba abantu nabasha laba obobahola kule nhlangano ye-ANC namanje bayakwazi bakufisa bafuna ukwazi ukuthi like la uye khona ingabe kuyaphileka na namanje isizathu ekuyisona sona sokuthi uhlukane nenhlangano ye-ANC uze ngapha ku-SDP isiphi like bakhanyisele se understand like ama frustrations na wonke but then balahlekile bafuna ukwazi ukuthi wena like khona lo ukuthi sinobheka ama councillor candidate bese bayasho abantu benhlangano ukuthi wena mangabe uhlulekile ukuthi ube umuntu oqala okhethiwe lokho akusho ukuthi shiya inhlangano kusho ukuthi buya usebenze nenhlangano against lezi ezinye omanje ngeza is 4 November. We understand the program. Yes. When I yindaba uze washiya le nhlangano yakho le owawukiyo because manje you should be supporting le nhlangano le osuwakuyona since ube number 2. You understand? So man bafuna ukwazi basithinta ngapha nangapha bathi sicela 100 Spartans sithole uSisimera achaza ukuthi kahle because obviously there's a main khona le reason seriously le esuse wena ngapha sakubona konke lokho but kunale reason le seriously ekususe ngapha yini hlaba mphela baba.
Yeah, no, again, Bongs. One, the reason it was not easy, as I've mentioned, after spending more than 10 years to the ANC.
Kwenzekani kwakhokho?
There are problems.
Kwenzekani kwakhokho?
There are problems.
Lo waphekile mara kuvuka sikhona ukudla kwenzekani kwakhokho? Chaza phela baba.
There's a problem kwakhokho, my guy, and there's a huge problem whereby it's destroying the ANC.
Yes.
You see, Mandela once said, if the ANC government is doing what the apartheid government did to you,
yes,
you must do what the ANC did to the apartheid government. And what we are doing is now to say the reasons the ANC, especially towards what 29 in the leadership there from the region, because the problem Nalapa region we had problems, huge problems. There are huge problems. Asenze would see the figure now when Bongs.
Yes.
Okay, the real one and the serious one.
Yes.
Allow me to mention them.
Yes.
One, there's this problem, inclusivity,
yes,
as young people to the ANC. We find ourselves sinakhona exercise esifuna ukubona to young people, and nalokuthi young people have capacity to lead, not to lead structures of young people, but to lead the entire entire society. Yes, what 36.
Yes.
We understand.
Yes.
We have those capacity, young people who are capacitated to lead.
Yes.
Whereby we don't have resources.
Yes.
And when we don't have resources, they use that thing. They don't have resources, then they suppress us. And when they suppress us, we can't exercise. So the guidelines current, they were written you don't buy votes You understand?
Yes.
So lezi zinto ezenzakalile towards what we wanted, the inclusivity yabantu abasha, we end up finding threats, bonds, and serious threats. I even have them like phoning NY experience like what in, and leadership areas like what in reporting these issues yayenzeka phakathi ebranchini, they were quiet about them. Death threats, serious threats as well received. You understand? Even people who are in the ANC Youth League, who are young, supporting us as the ANC Youth League, now they've experienced this thing. Then the second one is this thing. We've met this guy called Tutuzi Gamswati. We'll attach name.
Yes.
Tutuzi Gamswati. We've met this guy and must meet this guy with his political ideology. Sahlangana sayithanda.
Yes.
And we've pushed another guy. You understand? The problem, it has played a huge and a critical role in terms of us practicing politics yethu. You understand?
Before mntaka yeah, ngizwa ngumention igama la abafana bamswati. Makuthiwa abafana bamswati ba refer kubani? Ngabe bakhuluma ngani?
Yes, they are referring to us.
Man, just before si cross Umfula mntaka baba. Siyabe sichazela ababukeli emakhaya ukuthi kuza kanjani bani refer as abafana bamswati.
Yeah, no.
Just do it lapho before bese yachaza futhi.
No, but basibiza ngabafana bakaMswati because of is the leader who led the ANC Youth League.
Yes.
Was the chairperson of the region.
Yes.
In Kangala, leading the ANC Youth League.
Yes.
And Samtanda, because of how he led.
Yes.
You
Yes.
understand?
Yes.
His leadership qualities.
Yes.
As niggas that would know, we idolize this lead, and then we become one. And towards the struggle, Sabanale brotherhood.
Yes.
And then we become one from family.
Yes.
And so, yeah, and then Mswati is our brother, but then Mswati didn't protest to the ANC ukuthi singahlupeka because of sihlangane naye ukuthi singathi sicindezele ukuthi sibathi singabafana bamswati. Yena Mswati sihlangane naye, but we don't live with Mswati. And even nyawo njengasambile usele ka ANC. Usele ka ANC, still a member of the ANC. Usele ka ANC, and Gina are not there to the ANC njengasibona sila. Sibalekele leyo ukuthi singabafana bamswati. Let us be out simshiyele lo Mswati because naye unezinkinga zakhe ezenzakalayo within the ANC.
Yes.
Or whereby I won't get to that space uzazikhulumela when you get the platform.
Yes.
But then the critical part la bobuza ngayo ukuthi the reason esenza ukuthi sishiye the organization.
Yes.
As I was still stating ukuthi
yes.
Kenzakalani within the organization as much as bensabeka wena bombs, you understand?
Yes.
To say kunzima to be a young person in the ANC.
Yes.
Yeah, we understand, because you must follow what the older people or the elder people who feel they need to backcheck what you must do, what you must not do in the organization, you understand?
Yes.
And on which young people, they don't find expression to lead. It's a problem when you find young people whereby issues that are surrounding young people and bangabani expression to lead. It's a problem. Why can't you see join the ANC? It's because of we are the future, we are the current generation. What's happening now? We must really take the spear and run with it. It's how I'm sure it's a foundation face of the ANC Youth League. It's a learning school actually. Yes. So if ever as you find the expression or the hegemony to lead the bombs, it makes us being frustrated.
Yes.
Young people back in our 70s, it's weekend, like 29, it's weekend. You understand? You find young people, they are exposed to teenage pregnancy, they are exposed to drugs. You understand? They are mothers, they are fathers, some breadwinners, some of them. The load that is carried by young people, you understand? We want economical transformation. When are we going to reach economical transformation? It delays us as young people. But then we can't do it always as young people. Remain to the ANC Youth League. We must grow so that we see to the upper structure of the ANC. Lead, because of ours is to lead. Njengasifuna leader as young people, sinamani ukuthi sifuna ukubona a betterment iyenzeka for the lives of the society, not per se to young people, you understand, but to the entire society. The development, there's not development because of the inclusivity of young people.
Yes.
Sinewati lingaka alinali hall, alinali park. Unewati lingaka lina projects that are coming. Afika lana projects. Mafika lana project isuwa la extension 3 empumelelweni. Ifake 3 times. You will ask yourself why as flash till today, but isuwa iletiwe 3 times. Kenzakalani nalezi mali ezizala empumelelweni. We understand that today. Why are we having Bermuda projects? The project iqale namuhla iphinde ingapheli. But ekugcineni there are people who are benefiting outside of those projects.
Sibamele lapho mntaka baba. Mangabuza nje ukuthi yes, well ayafika ama project ifikile isuwa ifikile yotar road ifikile singawabala azabe yi50 mhlawumbe mangabe afika ku50 but then sibuza ukuthi since a community at large I benefit, who are those individuals aba benefitayo from kuma projects avela kumasipala?
That's a big challenge, Esna, because of sometimes you attach names, sometimes we must protect ourselves. Because
that's why I'm kanje. Umasipala sokuthi simbeka simdenta simeza 1 2 3. Umasipala uyenzile indima yakhe but then lento masayifika la kumele khona isebenze khona. Ifikela kubani kwenzakalani? Ngicela nje just uclarify kancane lapho
That's why I'm saying once the problem start to inclusivity.
Yes.
To the involvement.
Yes.
Of the community and the structures within the community.
Yes.
Are you understand?
Yes.
Now my project, if ever on the public participation.
Public participation.
That's where the problem starts. Because I feel my project I let you go because of Sibona certain project, second speech masiya project. Iyenzeke in the public participation ukuze sitshole ukuthi this is what is in the project. I-expect ukuthi or ize ukuzoyenza lokho le project. Iphethe into engaka le project. You understand?
Yes.
Development lesikhuluma.
Yes, yes.
It's a development.
Yes.
Makufiki projects one development.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
But then our feeling to everything.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
You must be a friend of that particular person who's leading. If ever you're not friend or you're not